Okay, so we've set the application up, and now we're moving to setting the insides of the application up. So once you've logged in, this is what the app looks like. Now the first things you need to do is to start rebranding this for yourself is come across to setting and come across to theme and other settings. So here you can change more or less everything you'd like to do for the app. So you can change the colors, you can change the images, the name, everything else. Now in here we have the trial membership. This is actually trial software that I'm actually setting up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the trial membership in another video. I'm just going to keep this one to the normal full membership. So here at the top you can see you can change from text. So I can change the name of Kickstart to whatever I wish, logo, text color, or I can just have an image. I can upload that image here. Now the image needs to be in JPEG or PNG, and it's 410 by 70 is the perfect fit. Here is the layout colors for the app. So for example, if you wanted to change the top color to green, you can do that by just clicking here. You can see that changes there. All that's pretty self-explanatory. Make that look to your brand. Now here at the bottom you need to make the sign up active. You can change the application name, so let's call this survey. And your support URL. Now anybody who bought this and got this as a bonus can add our support URL here, so it actually you don't need to do any kind of support yourself. You can just add your own in here. Now that is, just get our support URL. So our support URL goes there. You add your administration email, that's when you want people to contact you with. Now your thank you page code, you can choose whatever you want there. We do a generated one, but if you wanted to call this survey, you could. And then what you do is once you've done all that, you just generate your thank you page. Once that's generated, all you need to do is copy page, and you'll see when I paste that here, that's your thank you page. Now what your thank you page is, this is the page that you send the people who've paid for access to the application. So this is how they register their membership. Once they register a membership there, they'll have their own copy of the survey application. Now all these sections can be changed. You can put your own header in here, you can change your own colors, etc. And that's all you need to do for settings. Once that's done, you can start then using the application. Now also in settings, we've got analytic settings. Now this is, I just need to relog back in due to hitting that other URL. That is what you need to add your Google service account email address in, etc. Now we have a full tutorial doc for that. It's pretty self-explanatory. Just work through that, add in your Google service account, your track ID and your application name. Then once that's done, it'll start tracking and adding stats for your users. So that's all you need to do for the settings. Once you set up that's all there is to do. Once that's done, you've branded the software to yourself, then you can start reselling it to your users. And we're going to cover surveys, etc. in the next videos. Thank you.